It's as if this grew from my scalp.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm
Whatever side you take it to.
say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today, don't mind the way I am looking right now because the weather is telling on me. Even you can feel it from my voice. So I think this video I'm going to do some parts voice over while I talk in some parts. Just pardon that because my voice, I'm having sore throat. That is why I'm wearing this. I'm wearing. So today is a wig review as usual, and I'm reviewing this wig for KisslilyHair. It came in this packaging, alright, and they added this, yeah, as a gift for you. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. 2 weeks inside. Like I said, I'm not going to talk much because of my voice. Since I came back from travel, I'm having sore throat. There are 2 weeks inside, like I said. 2 weeks. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, and some goodies. Edge brush and this. Okay, those are the goodies that came with this wig. Wow. I'm going to put the two in on my head for you guys to see. Can see it's straight. I don't know, it's not black oh. This is not black oh. Why is my camera doing this to me all the time? This is not black oh. So my camera is showing black. Okay, so this is, let me see if you can see, if you guys can see the real color. One is new Melted Hairline HD lace wig. Then the other one is regular pre-plucked wig, lace wig, okay? It's the regular wig. So this one is the Melted Hairline HD lace wig. So guys, this is the regular pre-plucked, you see, lace wig. You can see the hairline. This is how the inside looks like. Oh, you can just tell. You can tell the difference. This is the Melted HD lace wig. You saw when I wore the other one, you just see the lace showing. But with this one, you hardly see the lace. You see it blends already on my skin. You see, so that's the difference, the advantage of this lace. You don't need to do much with this lace. You don't need to do much melting, like in using glue to make sure the lace melt into your skin. Even sometimes when you use a lot of glue, it's still difficult. You still see the lace. But with this one, you can see I've not even done anything, and you can see that the lace, see, for instance, look at this. I just press the front down and you barely see the lace. You see the difference of this. So that is it. I'm going to try the other one so that I will press it down like this for you guys to see as well. If the lace is still going to disappear like this one, because to me the lace is normal. We cannot see it, barely see it. You can't even see it. You understand? See, I drag it on my skin. You see, so by the time I install this wig, this is how it will look. Okay, so that's the difference, and I prefer this one. So I'm still going to try the other one again since you've seen this one, so that you will see that that other one, the lace is showing. It's not like this one that melts into your skin. See, so this one is the regular pre-plucked lace. You can see this, you already see the mark of the lace. Let me try to take it backward, put the lace here. You see, we see the lace, you can see the lace. But the other one, when I did that, you barely see, you cannot even see the lace. Okay, so that's the difference with that one. That lace is the best because that's what we want, that is what we need. What I want to me when I'm wearing a lace wig, I don't want people to identify it. Just see me, it shows that I'm wearing a lace wig. When I'm wearing a wig, I want it to look like my real natural hair, and that is what Melted Hairline HD lace does. So guys, what I want to do, you can see that this one came pre-plucked. Okay, so I'm not going to pluck this one, so I want to pluck this to make the two look similar. Let's see, let me pluck this one, the hairline of this wig, so that we can see if it will be like this, but I don't think so. I'll be back. So I'm going to pluck the hairline, put hair mousse too. So I'm going to twist the whole of the hairline, then I will come back to show you guys the difference between the two. Okay, so this is the hairline after I finish plucking it. This is the Melted Hairline HD lace. See that I did not pluck this one. Okay, I say let me wait so that you guys will see. I plucked the hairline. You can see this. So let me try the other one so that you can see this.
Must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up.
So guys, this is it. You guys know I use gel, so I'm going to use gel to install this wig. If you use, for example, glue, you can use glue, but I'm going to use gel. Let's see how gel will make this.
Welcome to friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake
guys see that? Can you see? See how this melted? See how this melted? Wow. And I'm using gel, not even glue. I'm using styling gel. Styling gel. That's what I use to install my wig. Guys, this is magic. You can't even see the joining of the lace. See this? Wow. It's as if this grew from my scalp. You can see the hair, the tiny hair. You can see here. Let me show you guys. You see? It's as if this grew from my scalp. So I'm going to repeat the same process. Then I'll be right back. I'm going to tie it down to melt the hairline more. Maybe I should pardon my voice. I said I have a cough. Like this. So I'm going to lose this from it.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up. Yeah. Now I'm truly awakened. See you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was down, kind of broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be honest, yeah. 'Cause you can handle emotions. See you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close.
Wow. This is so cool. You see, you don't need to do much. You see the scalp. You can see the scalp. See this? Wow! This is super gorgeous.
Tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off. Broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close.
This is super gorgeous. You think this is my natural hair. When you see it, you think the hair grew from my scalp. So that is it, guys, for this video. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, you check that out. Check the description box. The direct link to this hair will be on the description box. I love this hair so much. It looks so natural, just like your natural hair. And you see how this melted inside my skin. This is just wow.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it